Okay, people, if you are starting in the graphic design world and or you are still confused on what tools you should use in your freelance brand design business, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing with you the must-have brand design tools to get you up and running. This brand design must-have tools video is based on my own experience running my branding design business. So I will be sharing only tools I know and use every day. I invite you to make even more research to make comparison and see what is accessible for you, maybe new resources or other software that I did not mention. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so number one in my list is Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is by far my most used tool as a graphic designer. This tool must be the number one in your list if you want to be a brand designer. This is where I will be creating all of my brand assets, including logos, illustrations, patterns, icons, and way more. Why? Because Illustrator is a vector-based software. It means that your designs will be scalable, infinitely scalable. So your client will be able to use their logo in whatever print collateral, brand boards, books, packaging. They can make it big, they can make it small. It will never lose any resolutions. This is the power of vector art. I personally use Adobe Illustrator every day for everything, even my Instagram post design. The second on our list is Adobe Photoshop. This is my second most used tool as a brand designer. Photoshop is a raster-based software. It was made for editing pictures, photographies, and or made amazing graphics. This is where you'll be making your mockups or edit your pictures to match the vibe of the brand you are trying to sell to your client. In my design process, I feel like Photoshop completes Adobe Illustrator, and I could not do any work or present any work without using Adobe Photoshop. The third brand design tools must have is Adobe Indesign. Another great tool to add to your list. InDesign is my most used tool for presentation. This is the best tool to design and publish multiple page documents that contains a lot of text, images, vector-based art. In my brand design business, I use InDesign to create all of my concept presentation, project proposal, brand presentation, and brand guidelines manual. So you need it. The first on my list is Adobe Dimension. This one is a must-have if you have a very creative mind and can't find any mock-ups out there to bring your vision to life. So this is when Adobe Dimension come in place. Dimension is a 3D rendering software. It sounds very scary when we start talking about 3D, but trust me, this program is very fun and easy to understand. I use Adobe Dimension to create my own mockups, and I also love to share sometimes some 3D rendering link to my client to show them how their packaging design will look in 3D. Okay, the fifth on my list is Adobe Express. I feel like I keep talking about Adobe programs, but I'm honest with you, this is all I use and I'm very satisfied with it. Everything is in my Creative Cloud subscription and I could not do what I do without it. So just being honest right here. So what is Adobe Express? If you are familiar with Canva, you will find that Adobe Express is kind of the same concept. So Adobe Express is a great way to make social media templates to your clients to share with them, and they can reuse those templates and then post them on their own. This is how I am using Adobe Express. I switch in between Canva and Adobe Express, depends on what the client is using or have a subscription for. Adobe Express, like Canva, has a free version, so you are able to share links and make templates for them and they can pick them up for free. Give it a try. Okay, so my two last must-have brand design tools are not even design tools where they're connected to it. The first one is Adobe Acrobat Pro. This one is definitely going to be a must-have in your business. With Acrobat Pro, you are able to make modification on a PDF file. So before sending anything to your clients, especially contracts, and you can make them sign and add their name and make them send everything back to you. I found out very, very useful. Use it for all of my contracts. I've always used Acrobat Sign, Acrobat Pro, Adobe Acrobat Pro for that. Tool number 7, the last but not least, BeHands. Little bonus for you, especially if you do not have any website created yet and you wish to show off your portfolio and all your cool designs out there. BeHands is a free social media platform created by Adobe where you can show off your brand projects for free and even add a little description about your business and add a little tag that says hire me and see if you can get noticed by somebody. You never know who's watching. If you have a must-have brand design tools that I do not know about and need to check out, please comment it in the comment section down below. I will be very happy to check them out. Hopefully after watching this short video, you'll have learned something today or downloaded a new software for your brand design business. If you like this video, of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future graphic design video. Until next time, take care. Thank you again for watching and see you soon.